Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to once again on my channel English by Giri sir. Today we will discuss about new topic in writing section which is related to class 11th and 12th. The topic name is note making. What do we mean by note making? Note making is an advanced writing skill which is acquiring increasing importance to knowledge explosion. There is need to remember at least main points in given subject. Making notes is complex activity which combines several skills. Making note is helpful to save time, energy at the place of working. In college, while attending lecture in college, in school or in a meeting, it enhances to revise the main theme. Next we will discuss about necessity of notes making. Knowledge is vast and unlimited, but our mind is limited. We cannot remember all information all the time. Hence, note making is necessary. With the help of note making, we can recall entire information, whatever we had heard or read a month ago. Note making is useful to students for preparing many subjects. At the examination time, it is not possible to go through voluminous books. At such critical time, note making is quite handy. Next I am going to tell you the main features of good note making. First one, short and compact, means note making should be short, and compact means deep knowledge, deep information. Second is complete information. Whenever you are writing note making, you are making it so you have to be put it complete information. Third one, logical. It should be logical. It should be presented in a logical manner. Understandable. At least whatever you are going through note making, it should be understandable. Next things, mechanics in note makings means what we can involve under this. We need to be involved heading, subheading, subpoint, abbreviations. So these things should be need to be remembered. While making notes, we need to be remember 4 points. What is a 4 points? Listen, be carefully. first one, we need to be read whole paragraphs carefully. Remember it main points. Second one, pick out main information, main ideas from the passage. Third one, you should be collect it in a logic way. Fourth one, you need to be remember it should be neat and clean. Indentation should be maintained. Abbreviation should be written, because abbreviation it is also the most important part of note making. So totally it was about what is note making, necessity of note making, main features of note making, and what we need to be remember while making notes. So further I am moving towards whiteboard. We have made a format, indented format, note making, how we can note making, how we can draw such type of things, means how we can make a layout in answer sheet. So first one, you should be write heading, later it should be subheading, under subheading you can write subheading. If you want to be increase 1 point more, so you can write sub point. Then second subheading, under second subheading you can also maintain 1 or 2 sub point. Next third subheading, under subheading also you can mention sub point. So it is a format and you have to follow this format. We have discussed about indented. Indented means leaving space from written and printed area in your answer sheet. So I mean that I hope that you understand about note makings. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.